Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the JR-Koders channel. Today we're going to take a look at the simplest way to download files using Python. Let's get started. First thing first, open some code editor. Personally, I'm using VS Code because I think it's great, but feel free to use any other. Then create a file named downloadfile.py. Now let's start coding. First of all, import request. Because this is a library that comes with Python, you don't need to install it using pip. Then you need to create a variable that will contain the URL you want to request. So type URL is equal to the URL you chose. Now that we know the URL we want to request, let's request it. Type webpage is equal to request.get parentheses URL. As you can imagine, this will make a GET request to the server. What we also want to do is to know the name of the file we're gonna download. So type future name is equal to, what we're gonna do is take the URL, split it in several parts, and take the last part. So type url.split parentheses / brackets -1. As you can imagine, this will take the last element of the list. Now that we know everything we need, let's actually write the content of the file to an actual file. So type with open parentheses future name comma wb as file.write webpage.contents. What this does is that it takes the content of the response gotten from the web server and writes it to an actual file. Okay, I think we're done. Let's try this code. To run the file, just type in your terminal python download file.py and click enter. Okay, amazing, no errors. So as you can see, I can't actually open this file because I'm just using a test file here. I'm not using an actual file. But if you find a real file and try to download it using this code, it will work. If you want the code for this project, you can find it on GitHub. The links are in the description. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it and actually learned things today. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You can comment your GET request in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one.